Hello everyone, welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you struggling to become a web developer? Do you know HTML and CSS but feel stuck when it comes to JavaScript? Then this video is for you. JavaScript is one of the most powerful and in-demand programming languages in the world. If you truly want to build dynamic websites, crack interviews, and become job-ready, mastering JavaScript is not optional, it's essential. And today, I'm going to introduce our complete JavaScript training program designed especially for freshers. In this course, you will learn JavaScript from basics to advanced level with real-time practical implementation. We start with strong fundamentals and then move step by step into modern ES6+ concepts, complete DOM manipulation, asynchronous JavaScript, promises and async await, working with real APIs, writing clean and modern JavaScript code. But this is not just a theory course. You will work on 6+ real-time projects, which will help you build a strong portfolio, gain real development experience, become confident for interviews. Tools you will use. During the training, you will get hands-on experience with JavaScript, Node.js, NPM, VS Code, and Chrome DevTools. These are the same tools used by professional developers in the industry. Course details. Duration, 8 weeks. Designed for freshers and beginners. Course fee, 20,000 rupees. Includes 6+ projects, modern JavaScript concepts, API integration, and certification after completion. By the end of this program, you will be able to build real web applications on your own. Why learn JavaScript now? Because JavaScript is everywhere. Front-end development, back-end development, full-stack development. So this single skill can open multiple career opportunities for you. If you are serious about starting your web development career, this is the right time and the right course for you. Join Yajentio Training Academy and become a job-ready JavaScript developer in just 8 weeks. For enrollment details, check the description below or contact us today. Don't forget to like this video, comment your questions, and subscribe to our channel for more career and tech updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.